Hello friends, I hope everybody's doing well. My name is Artie and today is November 5th, 2021, and I've received a couple of stickers from a couple of channels that I'm subscribed to, and I also have another two channels I would like to discuss with you during this video. Okay, so first we have John from Turning Wrenches 85. Yeah, John, your logo is very nice. I like the logo. It's a new logo. He's only had it a couple of months, I think, or about a month or so. He does much like we do. He fixes up small engine equipment, mainly mowers. He also does his own auto repair on his vehicles, much like I do. He's a pretty good mechanic. I see he sells himself short a little bit when he's doing the auto repair, but I mean, he's thorough. On his last video, he had to change the catalytic converter assembly on his 2001 Toyota Camry. And he made sure the studs were bad that hold the front pipe on. He made sure he replaced everything that needed to be replaced. So he's pretty good. I think I've been subscribed to him for about a year now. And, we comment each other back and forth. I would say we're pretty good friends. So check out his channel. And, subscribe to him if you like him. And he also has an Instagram account that goes by Turning Wrenches 85 also. So check him out. He's a very good guy, has a great personality. And like I said, he knows what he's doing. Next up we have Big Son's Lawn Care. Okay, so the way I found Big Son's Lawn Care is through the Rusty Rooster. So I went, checked out his channel. I like him. He has a great personality. He has a lawn care business. One problem that I had was when I went and I subscribed to him and I commented him and I watched a video or two. Like his latest two videos I watched. And we traded stickers, and what happened was he received my stickers and he did a shout out video. I didn't know it. If it wasn't for Rayleigh's small engine repair, he emailed me and said that, did you see the latest video? About the shout out. I said, no, I didn't get the notification or anything. So I go up on his channel and I'm not subscribed. I know I subscribed to him. YouTube, please get it together. You're making me look bad. So at any rate, check him out. Subscribe to him if you like him. Doesn't cost you anything. And I have a couple other things I'd like to discuss with you about two new channels, and I'll be right back to you. What I'm going to do right now is, how it is for me to peel the backings off of these stickers and put them on the board. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so it's 20 minutes later and I put the two stickers up. No, I'm just kidding you. It's been about 10 minutes or so. Okay, so another channel that I want to mention right now is Rob's Small Engine Repairs. Rob does a lot of two-strokes, I noticed. In his last video, he took and he rebuilt the Strimmer engine. And he did a great job on it, and it runs. And his channel, as do all the other ones that I'm subscribed to, really get my interest. So, this is how it started with Rob's Small Engine Repairs. It It was Mick's stream last Saturday, Mick's Mowers, and I went on the stream as usual, and I was in the chats, and Mick mentioned Rob's small engine repairs. And I think he had about 40 or 50 subscribers then, maybe less. I'm not really sure. So I went and I checked Rob out, and I liked him. So I subscribed to him. He subscribed back to me as well. So he went from, 30 or 40 subscribers. And Mick gave him a shout out and talked about him, that he was a new channel and everything. So right now he stands at 122 subs. So if you want to go up and check him out, I'm sure he'll appreciate your support. He's a very, very nice guy, great personality. I enjoy watching him. So then we have a very newcomer here. This is Freedom Mowers. He only has six subscribers right now. So I went on his About page. So he started his channel October 19th, 2021. So he's only been doing it in a matter of days. He has worries about setting up his camera, doing the videos, and I know where he's coming from. I'm not that good at it either, don't get me wrong. But if you watch my first 20 or 30 videos, don't watch them. I had a lot of comments. I mean, I could take criticism, but a couple of the comments, there was cursing and swearing. And so if anybody plans on cursing and swearing in my comments, I don't stand for it. You'll just be deleted right away as soon as I see them. So, okay, so if you would, please go check out his channel. And if you like him, subscribe to him. And let's try to give him some support. And I'm sure his name is Alex. We're mostly all on first name basis here. But I'm going to try to help him out the best I could. But I know a lot of you other guys are a lot better at it than I am. But I'll do what I can to help him out too. So let's try to get him some subscribers here. Check out his channel. He has a very good personality. He subscribed to me as well. We've been commenting back and forth. And I'm just trying to give him some incentive that it gets better. It always gets better. I mean, I know how bad it was when I first started. I almost quit doing. I said, I can't do this. I can't set up the camera right. I still don't talk right. I guess from the stroke I had 12 years ago, but I try to do the best I can. The only thing I can tell all you guys when you're first starting out is just do the best you can. It gets better, as you go along. Okay, all right, so now we're going to pan across the board here. And I'm going to show you all these channels. And then we have Big Dog Lawn Repair. With him, you have to go to his personal name. His name is Henry Murawski. It's spelled just the way you say it. It's Murawski. So you just need to know that if you want to go check out his channel. And then we have all these other fine people here. They're friends, they're family. Forget about this guy over here. Let's see. Sticker board's coming along pretty good, not too bad. Alright, so John, Turning Wrenches. I put you under the Rusty Rooster and you're right alongside Grandpa Kevin. Grandpa Kevin, I hope you're okay. I haven't seen you on streams. Although, I've been so busy, I haven't been watching many streams lately. Because now the weather is starting to get cold here. And I'm trying to get as much done as I could. Okay, so we have Big Sons. I'm sorry, buddy. We have Big Sons. I put you right underneath David Kernut, and you're right alongside Grandpa Kevin here. And If anybody wants any stickers, my email is on my About page. And also, if you want to join me on Instagram, it's Vintage Gravely's. I'm under. I don't post much stuff there, but I do try to post some things up there also as well. So, friends, I'm just asking you, please try to help out Freedom Mowers here. Check them out. And Rob Small Engine Repairs, he's on a pretty good roll right now. I think he's going to do very well right out of the gate, and I'm sure you will too. It only gets better. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and I'll probably see you guys out in the yard doing something soon. Take care, stay well,